on it. Hey up, come on, Hans. Hey, well done. You alright, guys? In the back. Hey, looking good. Oh, well, actually turning me on today.
There's a bottle of bug in there. I won't have it, Mum. Why? Wait a week.
Well, can't you just pull over and on the side or something? Can't you just pull over?
Take your tablets, Sammy, girl. I'll take them later.
What are we slowing down for?
You told me to pull over.
No, for a week. Anyway, guys, this is we're on the River Ouse in York today. Just having a leisurely cruise. Then we've been in one or two bars at up to now, and I'm sure we'll be going into a few more bars before we come back home on the train. I hope we've got turbulence here. Oh my God! Steer it properly, Abigail. I hope we've got some friends here on the water. Vodka bar?
Yeah,
alright, I didn't know that. Hiya, John Tonner and Mr. Benson. You alright, Katie Box? As you can see, we're taking you for a trip along the River Ouse in York today. It's a bit cool. It'd have been nice if the weather had been a little bit better, but hey ho. Oh God, hey, which gap do we go through here? Abs. Do we go through the right hand side or the middle? Right?
Not to go through the middle.
We go through the middle. Are you sure?
Leave the boat still, what's that?
Driving. God, I'm getting seasick here. Hey up, Murphy. Hey, say hello to Chris. Oh, hey, no, go to the right a bit.
A big bastard.
Oh my God. Yeah, to the right a bit.
Faster, Abby. I can't go any faster. You try.
Hey. Oh, come on, we've got a boat up our arse here. Oh my God. He's here now, he's going to catch us up. I think he'll pass us. Yeah, he's coming past. I'll wave him on. Oh, he's coming past now, I think. He's overtaking us. Oh dear. Hey up, Steve Tops. We've been overtaken by a big... Oh, they've got a bar on that boat. Look at that one. We've got a bar on it.
No one on that.
There's a bar on there.
That's where we got off.
Oh God. We've definitely got turbulence here. Fire it up, see if we can pass him. We'll piss him off. No, I'm sorry for the language, guys. No, we've got another half an hour nearly yet. Oh, he's turning round. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
There's two. What?
Oh, you are. What's them ducks? What's them ducks? Bloody hell. Poor things. Where do I go right to bit? Oh my God, sorry ducks. Have we got any beer left? Have we got any beer left? Where? Can't you get getting past me one?
I can't reach
Well,
you.
can't you see I'm busy? Bloody hell. The lazy sod, you can't even pass me a can of ale. Yeah, you hold that minute while I up him. Oh, all it takes now, you only think you yourself.
Ah! Everybody's watching it. Loads of people watching.
Are you live?
Yeah.
Yeah, but all you think of is drinking a can of ale. Should be standing up.
Abigail, are you okay, love? Hey!
I'm watching it, Hey, there's a morning warehouse.
That's pretty
Oh,
good.
tell me that. There's a morning warehouse.
Yeah, but it's not a restaurant now, is it?
In it?
Food there used to be brilliant. Stop it now.
So there guys, hey up Linda. Linda Cardwell on here. How you doing, love? I've got a canoeist coming up on the left hand side. Excuse me. Hey, these are all new to me on here, on this side.
£500,000 to £1 million then.
Half £500,000 each? No, surely. These weren't here when I used to be young. Oh God. Very nice though. Got a good view, haven't they, really? Yeah, very nice. Pardon? You can't moor down along here. I don't know, I wonder if these boats are lived in along here. They're moored up anyway, so somebody living in it. Hey up, Terry Gavin, how's the doing, pal? A life on the ocean wave. Da 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 da. Oh, yeah, it's lovely along here. They're all new, all this lot's new to me. I don't know how long this lot's been up.
He owns one of them.
That must be a working boat, surely. No.
Shall I turn round now?
No, you're not right yet.
I need a wee.
Yeah, well, I do, but you're not going to get one for another 20 minutes. Hold it in. Yeah, really, I don't, yeah. Ahoy there, shipmates. Oh no. Andy Stewart. Hey, Andy, I think I've got that part coming tomorrow, I think. Hopefully I'll be able to fit it. And thanks for your help with that, mate. That part for the cooker. Hey, be careful where you're going. Alright, wait a minute, we're being interrupted. No. Oh, it's vibrating. Well, trying to think where we are on that side of the road. No, he said, didn't he? When you get to where it forks off, that's when you want to be turning back. Hey, oh, we've got some sun coming coming out now. Where's your sunglasses, our lass? Look at these two here, bloody. Hey up, our kid. How's they doing? Yeah, sun's trying to get out here now. If anybody's interested, hang on, it's 25 quid for half an hour to hire the boat, and 35 quid for an hour. I think it's well worth it. You can get, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get about 9 people on this boat for the same price. So it's quite good actually. Hey up, Paul Priest. How are you doing, Paul? I hope everything's alright. I hope you're not getting, you haven't got bad weather in Tenerife at the moment.
Turn round here, Emma.
No, you go to that bit, to that bridge nearly.
Now turn down.
No, keep going, keep going. We've got Carol. Hiya, Carol. Hey, this is not as good as yours, but hey, we might see you later anyway, maybe, I don't know. We might call him when we get off the train. We'll see how it goes. Ah, brilliant. Hi up, oh, hi up. Oh, hey, we're doing a turn around now. Oh no.
Pass the cab.
You what, love?
I'm desperate for a win.
Chris, don't be having too many. She'll be all over me like a rash tonight. He has another one. What we turn round for? Hiya, Christine O'Leary. Have a drink for Christine.
Hey,
Christine O'Leary.
Christine!
Oh, priest. Oh my God. Yes, we've got a few on watching. They should think it's like a bloody vibrator, that. Oh, quick, get across. Oh, there's a bit. Oh my God, we're in the wrong side of the bloody shipping lane here. Oh no, he's doing a turn round now. Oh God, damn it. Where's he going? Yeah, it's well worth it, the money. Our Abigail actually booked it online, and she had a £3.50, I think, booking fee. But apparently, we noticed when we came down to get the boat, you could pay there. So it's just easy to pay there as long as it's a free boat. Abigail, you want to cut it down a bit while he's manoeuvring, Abs. Look, just slow down a bit while we see what he's doing. Oh, there's Alice May there. Hello, Alice May. Alright, alright guys. Hey up, Keith. Oh, Keith Blackburn. Hey, how's your spider bite doing there, pal? Is that doing alright? Keith, him with spider bite. Yeah, Keith Blackburn, yeah. Alright, pal. I hope your spider bite's healing up, matey. Oh, God. Prince of York here, oh, River Prince of York. We're going to catch him up or stop behind him. Come on, driver.
Can't do any faster.
Well, was that the one? No, that ain't the one that overtook us earlier, was it? No. Oh, keep over, bloody hell. Chopping now, guys, chopping. I think about another 10 minutes and we'll be back home. Yeah, well, I hope so. We've only got 15 minutes left. Been a hell of an experience, this. that boat in front of us is deliberately going slow because he's coming back a bit early, I think. They're not daft, these bloody skippers, are they? Anyway, I really love this, and I can recommend anyone that coming to York, have a go on one of these. It's a brilliant experience. We were hoping the weather had been a bit nicer, but it's still been quite good. And yeah, it's been brilliant. I'm going to try a few different pubs now. I don't know, probably 3 Cranes. Where else might we go? Oh, bloody hell. 3 Tubs again. Been in the 86. We'll see. I do like the 3 Cranes, to be honest. Sweetheart. Oh yeah. Right guys, I think it's time to cut you off now. We're coming back into port more or less. We're only 3 or 4 minutes away now. So I hope you all enjoyed our little sailing trip. And I might put a few videos on from a few pubs a bit later on. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Take care, love you all, bye.